A Mercedes diesel motorhome with a big slide out and lots of storage. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the Thor Tiburon 24TT. This small diesel motorhome has a big slide out and a ton of storage. Now, if this is the first time you have seen one of my videos, I do about an 8 to 10 minute walkthrough of the entire motorhome and talk about it without any weird editing, special effects, or sound effects. So let's get started. So it's full body paint, frameless windows. It is on the Mercedes chassis, has a backup camera, tankless hot water heater. Now, I'm not going to go through the basement storage right now because it's 110 degrees outside. So we're going to do the exterior kind of quickly. If you'd like pictures or video of the storage, you can always contact me by email and I can send you those. Roof ladder, awning topper, big power awning. I like the exterior color. I'm actually a big fan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. All right, coming inside. That's better. Air conditioning. You have the Dream Dinette overhead cabinets. Now, they call these European style cabinets because they're rounded off and they actually lift up very nicely. As you can tell, there's stuff in here because this is a customer's unit that's selling it. So it is pre-owned. It's a 2022. It has about 6,000 miles on it. If you'd like pricing, in the description box below, it'll take you to the website where you can check out where it's for sale at. It's at a consignment lot. Now, I like the size of the kitchen as well, and I like where they put the plugs so you can push them up and down. You also have USB ports, so not only can you plug in like your blender or other little tiny appliances, but you can also charge your cell phone and your devices at the same time. The nice rounded one-piece sink. So you guys know, if you're a fan of the channel, I like pozole, tortilla soup, chili. To do those big pots of food for camping, you got to have a nice size sink to wash them. So I'm very much a fan of that. Nice deep cabinets as well. Now, I like the high gloss look of the cabinets. It makes it really pop and feel bigger in here. And you'll also notice, let me back up for 1 second, that this slide out is considered a full wall slide. So look how much space you get in the living room. On top of the lighter colors inside, you don't feel like you're in a sardine can, right? You don't feel like your head is in a vise. You feel like there's more open space than you would with some of the darker cabinets. Now, that's all personal preference stuff, right? There are people that love the darker cabinets, and there are people that hate the darker cabinets. Different strokes for different folks, right? That's what I always say. Flat screen TV, and this chair does swivel. I believe this one does not. At least I haven't tried. And a lot of the reason why it won't swivel is because you got the parking brake right there. But look how nice and clean that dash is. Oh, there we go. It's got 5,000. Here, we'll see if we can zoom in. 5,958 miles. Okay, it says there they get 12.7 miles per gallon, which is a little better than a gas coach, right? Okay, coming back over to the kitchen because we got a little sidetracked. 2-burner stove. You got your convection microwave. And you guys know I'm a big fan of the drawer. Look how much stuff you can get in there. I mean, that, you know, I always talk about deep storage. But look, you even got a nice size pot, a nice size flat pan, all in the same drawer. I mean, that's pretty cool. At least I think it is. Now, if you enjoy walkthrough videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, you do have solar on this coach as well as an inverter. So the small inverter is going to run like your TV, small appliances, without having to run the generator. Most common things that you're going to see with a small inverter like this is folks that want to charge their cell phones, charge their tablets. Maybe they want to work on the Dream Dinette on a laptop or a device. Maybe you're a remote worker. Maybe you're on a deadline. One spouse is driving, one spouse is working, and you don't have to have the generator running. Everybody's favorite refrigerator, the propane electric fridge, or as some folks like to call it, the RV fridge. Look at all this. Look how much you can fit in these drawers. Good Lord. Now, I'm not opening those cabinets because my knee's killing me today, so I'm not going to walk across the bed like I normally do. But you do got to walk around queen bed. In here, you have your hangable closet area, but look how deep that is. So you could technically put some more shelving in there. As you could tell, they could fit the linens in here, the round peg for the table that goes in between the Mercedes chairs. Sorry, I'm a little stuttery today. I mean, and look how easy these open and close. Very nice. Not bad for a Thor product. Okay, you also have a TV in the bedroom area, pull down shades, and in here the bathroom. Now, for being a small little motorhome, that's actually a pretty big shower. That's a pretty big medicine cabinet. The sink is small though. But see, there's trade-offs, right? There's always a trade-off with everything. You get a little more counter space for your toothbrushes, your toothpaste, etc., but you get the smaller sink. So it's a little bit of a trade-off. And again, the toilet's not in a bad position. If you sit down on it, you're not going to feel too claustrophobic. So now, there's one thing I really want to point out, okay? Because this is important, so pay attention. They actually have ducting ran into the bathroom. I know that doesn't sound like a big deal on paper, but if you go look at a lot of other brands out there, there is no air conditioning vent into the bathroom. From travel trailers to Class A motorhome diesel pushers to Class C motorhomes, not every one of them has a duct from the air conditioning into the bathroom. The other thing, because of course obviously you have your bunk bed up here that you can also use as storage if you want, but remember there's no ducting here either in a Class C motorhome for this bed, and this is the hottest part of the coach. However, dun 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 dun, they put ducts here to be able to blow air conditioning onto the bed. So this whole cab area is not just dependent on the dash AC. You actually can run the air conditioner, the RV air conditioner, and get air to the bed. Now, if you have any questions, you know my contact information, including my email and my social medias, all in the description box below. If you'd like to purchase this directly through me instead of going directly to the dealer, you can contact me and I can make those arrangements. And in the top right-hand corner of this video, you're going to see another really cool small motorhome that I believe is pretty awesome. Toolkit and sense of humor, folks.